Good morning. This is my life today. I just coughed so hard I threw up. Seth went to sleep. He has to work tonight, and me and Ian are just hanging out in our pajamas. Literally just like pajamas. It's almost 2:30. I drank 3 cups of tea, a little bit of water. I ate because I had to eat because I have to take my insulin, but I have no appetite. But yeah, this is probably it for today. You would turn into a little merman. She went to go wrap Andrew's present. Are you watering? So we're breakfast, and I'm getting a tea because somebody is cranky. Oh my goodness. I straightened my hair today because I had to get my picture. I knew I was gonna have to get a picture. I look awful in my picture. Hi, boo. What's on your shirt?
Hope.
Help?
Hope.
What's on your shirt?
Fire cat.
Yeah, it's a fire truck. Don't do it, Ethan. Don't do it. No drunk. Ian's eaten all of his fries, drank all his apple juice, and has just decided now that he wants to eat his grilled cheese when we're all finished and ready to go. So I'm pretty excited because I'm here to go see my niece. So I'm drinking plenty of hot tea right now because I'm trying to get my voice back. But I feel a lot better, but this voice thing, like, I'm day 3 of this cold and it's not doing anything for me. I'm done with it being sick. Good morning. Guess who's still sick? I'm ready for this to be over, honestly. I'm on my way to go see my nutritionist. This is my second time seeing her. This looks like a good spot as ever. So I'm gonna go over my new meal plan and we're gonna see what she thinks. I didn't care to get ready. I've been up since about 6:30. No, that's not right. I kept waking up like every couple hours, so I technically been up since like 5. And so I just took a shower and said, F it, I'm going. So good bites. And for doggies. Breakfast. On booze. An extra booze here today. Day number 4 of feeling awful. So we are at Walmart. We're gonna go in. We're gonna get diapers, tea, cough drops, a little bit of groceries. You ready to go? You ready to go? Car. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, Ian and I just got home from Walmart. He's downstairs with his dad. I'm going to quickly do a little Walmart haul and show you guys what I got. Nothing too interesting because I'm gonna do my larger grocery shop. I might go later today. Alright, the first thing are our Pampers Cruiser size 5 diapers for Ian because he's potty training, but we kind of just started, so he's still in diapers. I got this huge, gigantic 40 bar pack of Rice Krispie treats for Seth's lunch, and this was only $6.99. Literally couldn't believe it, so I got that. My nutritionist recommended Skinny Pop, so I found this 14 bags, 7 original, 7 white cheddar, and These actually have 8 carbs, so that's less than all the regular kind of popcorn I was looking at. I got Seth just 2 regular Gatorades, and I have him an 8-pack in the garage for his lunches. I got me some Sprite. I'm still battling this sickness. Sugar-free Halls Cough Drops. The honey lemon are the best. I did get me some cheeky raisins. These are the best chocolates ever. I got Ian some frozen fruit. This is pineapple, strawberries, and blueberries. Got me some turkey bites. I love these just to snack on with some cheese. I'm gonna try these out, the strawberry and cream cake delights. I have a feeling Ian would like that. He likes anything strawberry. Seth's ham for his lunch. We always get the Hillshire Farm usually. If we don't get deli, it's the best. 2 packs of beef ballpark franks for Seth. I got Ian more frozen fruit. This is just blueberry and raspberry. Yeah, cute little cups. And then the last thing I got was this banquet brown and soy sausage. For mornings when I do work for the boys, they can just throw these in the microwave and eat them. And Bob Ross is still chilling in the background, waiting to sprout. So that is our grocery haul. I'm gonna put this away and go take a nap because I'm exhausted. Okay, I just got back from the grocery and I want to show you guys what I got from Schnucks today. Apparently we're supposed to have a snowstorm this weekend, so I will go get necessities now. So here is the rest of my grocery haul. I got 2 loaves of the Hawaiian bread. We like to use this for toast, sandwiches, what have you. The Schnucks pork sausage in medium. Got 1 roll of the fresh. Got 2 of these cheese trios for me to snack on. It's one thing that Mary said that I need to actually start doing is having more smaller meals and snacks to maintain my blood sugar. Whole milk for the boys. I don't really drink milk. Bananas, Honeycrisp apples because they are on sale for $1.50 a pound, which is insane for Honeycrisp. So I got 4. I got some fresh orange slices, 1.5 dozen of large eggs. I got my low carb whole wheat. I go between the flour and the wheat. The wheat are 5 grams and smaller, and the flour are 8 grams of carbs. But I got these because these actually, the date was longer on these. I got a ham steak for I don't know what. We'll figure it out. I got the Emerald calorie cashew halves and pieces. I got Seth some treats. Kit Kat's thrown his lunch. I also got him 2 of his Marzetti honey Dijons. He uses these on his lunch every day. Get me some French brioche style chocolate croissants. I love them. Nice little treat. And I got just 3 bags of veggie steamers. And that's it. Do you like your Caesar salad?
Sorry?
Salad? No, puppy. He ate all his oranges, and he got about that much the first time and ate it, and I just gave him more. I have another grocery haul for you. It's Friday, and it's actually started flurrying a little bit, but Seth has, he's off on Saturday, so he's off tomorrow night, but he's also off tonight, and then possibly Sunday. So he's like, run to the store, get a few more things. So here's the last grocery haul of the week, period. And Ian's still in his pajamas. It's like 1:30. They had a chill morning. I'm major having some pain through here. My sinuses are bothering me, but other than that, I have a little bit more energy. What are you doing? Are you gonna have your stool? Oh my.
Okay.
It's okay.
Eye watcher.
Boy. Oh boy. Ian just had a cry fest because if we're not doing this currently right now, gonna have a banana. Here's my grocery haul. We like these Smithfield garlic and pepper. Oh, down here. My head is out of it today. We like these garlic and pepper Smithfield tenderloins. I got some Polish kielbasa and some andouille sausage. These are good to have. I got 2 Bob Evans sausage rolls for breakfast. I got our Kerrygold butter. I got me some more riced cauliflower. I'm making stir fry tonight for dinner, so I'm gonna have this. So that's probably gonna have rice. I got some beef stew mix to cook up for the stir fry. I got these really cute pretzel buns. Bob Ross is still chilling. Look, he's starting to sprout. More oranges. I know I should just buy them and fill them myself, but I didn't. More blueberries, fresh blueberries. I got Ian these Go-Gurt Dunkers and strawberry. Hopefully he likes those. Our P.F. Chang's lo mein is nice to have on hand. 2 boxes of pork pot stickers. We like to eat these with our stir fry. And then I'm gonna try these cranberry good. So that's the last grocery haul of the week. Bring on the snow. This is what it's come to. I feel the worst I felt all this week. So I just took a shower a little bit ago. I've had some tea and some soup. Now I'm eating chocolate croissant because I actually feel a ton better. I took some Tylenol cold and sinus. I microwaved this for 10 seconds. It's really good. It's not a croissant, but you know, like a little chocolate. No snow yet. It's 5:30. But back home in St. Louis, which is just about 2.5 hours south, they're getting tons of snow already. So hopefully we get some so Ian can go play tomorrow. But I'm really tired today. And Murray Dog's here. Want some of this? You're not getting any of this, Dougal. Well, happy Saturday, January 12th. I'm off to work. You have slime? He's gonna drop that on the floor, babe. Play-Doh. Where's your slime?
You just touched it. Ian, like this, go. Poke. Got it.
He doesn't know about it.
You want to touch the slime?
Peep. Peep. No.
Your turn.
All the Christmas stuff's going away. Oh, did you find your zipper? What you doing? What are you doing? Did you find your zipper? Yeah. What is all that stuff?
Smell.
Yeah. He played this morning. We've had a chill day. It's awful outside. But now we're gonna do dinner. Saturday evening in.